Welcome again guys, Martin Unix here, ready to show you guys on how to do a retwist without using wax. So welcome guys. Alright guys, these are my LOCS ones, and if you have not watched the previous video guys, I showed on how to wash, clean your dreadlocks, and on how to undo lock knots. So you can revisit my channel guys for such kind of tutorial. So guys, today I'm going to show you on how you can retwist your LOCS without using wax. So to begin with guys, ensure that your LOCS are damp. Your LOCS should be damp. The LOCS should not be dripping wet. Guys, you should dry your LOCS. To begin with guys, ensure that your hair is damp. Ensure the hair is not dripping wet. And then you can just apply your leave-in treatment by spraying. Remember that when the hair is damp, the leave-in hinders with easiness. On my locking process guys, I will be using oils to lock my hair. Just to tip you, it's not product which makes the hair lock. It's not the product which makes the hair lock. Guys, note that. What makes the hair lock is the technique, not the product. Now, more about the technique guys, I will be rolling out a more informative tutorial about that. So just to begin with guys, I'm going to use this mixture of oils. It's a blend of oils from Tonhairo. Guys, this is a product manufactured in Kenya by a Kenyan, and it consists of 6 oils which are blended together to come up with this amazing cocktail. So you realize that this is an oil which is rich of certain properties, most of them being properties which ensures your hair grows in a healthy manner. So guys, we are going to pour the mixture in this bowl, that way. Just shake it. Remember we said this is a mixture of oils, that way. So let's apply it on the scalp surface as well as spreading all through the LOCS strands. Apply it guys and spread it through the LOCS strands. After applying the oil guys, make sure you spread it that way through the LOCS strands. Spread it gently, then massage the scalp to soothe it slowly. Now this helps to spread the oils on the scalp as well as the hair roots and the strands evenly. So now guys, after doing the cocktail of oils on the scalp surface as well as spreading on the LOCS strands, now I'm going to use castor oil. Just to hand grip on our LOCS, I'm gonna use castor oil. Remember guys, castor oil is somehow sticky, so I'm going to use it guys now to lock in all the rest of the oils. So I will begin at the back guys, because I want to ensure that all the LOCS strands are well covered with the castor. And remember that after using these oils guys, you don't need to apply any other oils until your next retouch, because this lots of oil. You just need to spray your LOCS strands. After application, massage gently. Massage it gently just to spread it on the roots, that way. So guys, now we will be doing the retwist by a method known as palm roll technique. I will not be doing comb coils, and this is the way to go about it. Just pat your LOCS strands using your fingers, pick all the strands which seems to be lying low on the scalp surface. Wrap them around the LOCS strand that way, just to tighten them on the LOCS strand. Then twist your LOCS strands. Just twist your LOCS strand in a clockwise manner that way, moving all the way to the tip, just to spread the castor oil even on the LOCS strand. You see, that's how my LOCS strand looks like. It's another way of locking your LOCS without using wax, guys. It's a lovely way. It's amazing. It's a nice way and a healthy way of locking your LOCS. You see? So guys, I want to urge you guys to keep on subscribing, like my work, comment positively and share to your friends. That's how you separate the roots. Guys, pick the loose hair on the scalp surface, wrap it around the LOCS strand, go ahead and do the palm rolling. That's how you palm roll. You twist your LOCS in a clockwise manner. Alright guys, you can have a look. We are halfway done, and just to elaborate further on what I'm doing is that I'm locking the hair without gel. Guys, remember that we have used castor oil, and by using castor oil, guys, it has certain benefits. One of them being that it helps to eradicate toxins on the scalp surface as well as the hair surface, and by doing so, guys, it also helps to stimulate the dominant hair follicles, and by doing so, guys, you usually bring the hair follicles back to life, hence activating the hair growth. That way, guys, you will realize that you will be coming up with a healthy hair growth. And remember, guys, I've shown you the locking process. We started off by applying a cocktail of oils, and thereafter we sealed those cocktail of oils by use of castor. And I used castor, reason being that castor has some grip, and the texture of the hair matters. When the hair is too much kinky, guys, you will have to use small amount of castor, and the hair will respond very well. But when the hair is not too much kinky, that is, if the hair has got some loose curls, that is, the curls are not firm as the curls in kinky hair, you'll find yourself using a little more oil, a little more castor oil. And guys, the locking process has been quite simple for beginners and a healthy one. You just separate the LOCS strands by use of your fingers that way. Remember, guys, I'm using a palm rolling technique. You just roll the strands, which appears to be loose on the scalp surface, along the LOCS strand that way, along the LOCS strand. Then, guys, palm roll that way, palm roll, and extend your palm rolling all the way to the tip that way, to the tip. Just extend your palm roll that way, guys. Now you'll find yourself smearing the castor oil along the LOCS strand, thereby smoothing the fringed hair which appears to be on the LOCS strand. After now palm rolling the LOCS strand, guys, just turn it, creating a loop at the scalp surface, which prevents the LOCS strand from unwinding. That way, guys, now that's how you do the retwist without using wax. There are so many ways on how to do retwist, guys. I will be bringing with the time, so you just need to stay locked. And guys, I want to thank you for your super chats, those guys who are sending super chats. Thank you, guys, for your support. That's good way of showing support on my content. You can as well, guys, join membership, like my work, comment, guys, and you can as well support by sharing the work to your friends. Guys, after doing the retwist, just dry your lock strands for around 15 minutes under low temperatures. And the scarf service, guys, is wow. You can have a look. Have a look, guys, how the scarf looks like. No build-ups, no deposits of products. It's a clean retwist, guys, that I can advise you to adopt. For the styling part, guys, let's meet in the next tutorial. Like my work, guys, comment and share to your friends. Thank you.